Hi, Rene Bastarache here with the American School of Hypnosis, and in today's video, I want to speak to you about one of the super secrets of the inner mind that can really help you, but this is one of my favorites. But before we get started, if you're new to our channel, I'd like to welcome you and ask you to subscribe, so this way we can automatically send you all the new content we have each week as it comes up. And also, be sure to hang out until the end of the video where I tell you about a special offer we have that's going to help you to unlock so many more of the mysteries of your mind. So let's go ahead and get started. What is this super secret of the mind that will help you in your life so much? Well, there's a lot of different traits of the subconscious mind, but one of the most important ones is that the subconscious mind does not understand negative. It doesn't understand negative. The negative is a conscious construct. Now, how does that help you? Well, whenever you say something negative, you're focusing on what you don't want. What do I mean by that? Well, the subconscious mind will always attract more of what you focus on. That's one of its major purposes. For instance, if you said, I don't want to go broke, what are you focusing on? Going broke. You see what's going on here? Okay, the subconscious does not understand negative. It's only inclusive. It's only positive. So if you don't want to go broke, what should you say or what should you focus on? You should say, I am successful. I want to remain successful. I'm doing great. You see, so what are you focusing on when you say something or when you think about something? Because your self-talk and your thought is so important. Now let's look at different areas of your life. How can this inner secret help you? You're sick. You want to be healthy. Focus on being healthy. Don't focus on the sickness. Don't say, oh, I don't want to be sick. I don't want pain, because you're focusing on sickness and pain. I am healthy. I feel great. You see what I mean? That's what you need to be saying. Now, look at it this way. Picture a 5-year-old child coming up to you holding this goblet of water. Okay, it's filled right to the top. And you look at the child and you say, don't drop that. What do? They drop it. Why? Because they're focusing on drop that. Or you're in the corner of the room doing something and you don't want your spouse to see you. Maybe you're wrapping a birthday present. She walks to the room and you go, don't look. Don't you immediately look? You're focused on look. So that helps you to understand how this works. So if you want a great relationship, focus on a great relationship. Don't say, I don't want a divorce. I don't want to break up, because you're focusing on divorce and breaking up. I have a great relationship. I want to be happy. So only focus on and only say what you want. Use this with your family. Use this with your clients, and especially with your children. I don't want to flunk my test today, Daddy. You want to pass. You will pass. Okay, don't have them focus on flunking, because they're going to flunk. They have to focus on passing. I want to make a lot of friends at school today. I want to have a wonderful day. They don't want to have a bad day. They don't want to be alone. They want friends. You see what I mean? So have your children focus on what they want. Stop them and say, what do you want? Now you have them focusing on the positive. Think about how many things you focus on throughout the day that are on the negative side, and how those things may be attracted to you. So this is something that can really help you to focus on what you want and begin to attract more of what you want rather than what you don't. Now, if you found this little secret helpful, be sure to share it with your friends and click on that like button below the video. Now, I mentioned to you that we have a special offer coming up. If you'd like to learn more about unlocking more of the mysteries of your mind, we have a online live hypnosis certification course coming up very shortly. You can click on the link below this video to learn more. It's a 6-day class where you're going to learn all about the mind. Anything you can do normally, you can do better with hypnosis. So you're going to learn how to do it to help yourself, to help your family. And if you'd like to start your own business with an above average income, you can even do that, because you'll be getting certified upon conclusion of the class. So it's interactive. You'll be practicing on each other because it'll be on the Zoom platform, and you can train right from your own home. So just go ahead and click on the link right below this video and you can learn all about it. And I hope to see you in our next class. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.